James Resource Network was established 7 years ago, and the Christmas Tea was the very first event that we did. So we have had 7 Christmas teas now in honor of single mothers. And the reason that we started doing it originally was a way to give the single mothers a break before the busiest time of the year for most of them, and to set aside a little bit of time just for them.
The Christmas tea is so special because it's a day when, I mean, let's face it, holiday time, it's pretty much the moms that do everything. And if you're a single mom, you are the one doing everything. You don't have a partner to help you out. So here we are, able to take care of them for an afternoon. You know, give them some great food. There's a wonderful feeling of community. We can just pamper them for an afternoon, give them some nice gifts, make them feel loved and warm and appreciated, which might not happen another time during the holiday season.
It's been so fun to see these women coming in dressed up. A lot of them have their kids with them, and we provide childcare, free childcare for them, and so that's very special for them to have a day out of the house with their kids, that they can take their kids with them. And they're so appreciative, and they love it, and every year they're like, oh, I'm so glad you're doing this again. And
this has been a lot of effort on our part, and we always had the philosophy that this was our biggest event of the year, that we were going to take the extra effort to make it beautiful, to use real china, to do a lot of the cooking ourselves and decorating ourselves, to go out and procure many gifts and gift certificates and spa items for our single moms. And it takes usually about 30 volunteers on the day of, and then I don't know how many hours really leading up to it, but it's all worth it.
For the last 2 years, I've been one of the table sponsors for the Christmas tea, which of course means you do the tablescape, you bring the centerpiece and the plates and the teacups and any decor, etc. And then of course, I always, being a florist, I always bring whatever they need to decorate their buffets, you know, cut greens and holly or whatever it is they need. I bring that along as well.
I love being able to help someone else in their vision. And Sandy Cohen has an incredible vision for working in the community and helping these single parent families, and I want to make her vision be a success.
For me, it is special because as a single mom myself, Christmas and the holidays were extremely difficult and painful, as traditions were interrupted and my children perhaps were not getting what we had been able to do for them in the past, and I just felt so many deficiencies. And so that's what I want, to help these families feel that they are not alone and that others care about them. And also, there is victory, there is something good on the other side if you just keep putting one foot in front of the other.